Hello guys, yan ang merienda ko for today. It's me, Ate Yumi. So it's help this one for your good fat, for your fatty acid, brain, food, and also they have magnesium, potassium, high fiber, and a lots of benefits of our body. So combine ko lang siya ng almond milk. Yan. Then, no more sugar or no more honey because it get more um, help you to good appetite and anti-aging, yes, and also for lose weight. Yan. So, bring back natin ang ating perfect weight and it help this food to combine our body to help our guts, lymphatic, and our brain boost. Yan ang mga pagkain nila. So, let's eat avocado. Kaya kain tayo. Yummy.